Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing the swatch video for the last haul I uploaded, and these are the Dip and Dab powders from iGel Beauty. So starting we have DD2 Snow Sparks, and this is a repeat. I don't know what happened. I think I forgot I ordered it. I since have created a list to keep track of the colors I do have and don't have, so that I don't order any multiples. But as you can see, it's a very nice pinky white shimmery color. Then we have Vanity Pink DD142. This one wants to be more like a dusty rose, but it has a little bit of shimmer. It's not the prettiest rose I've seen. I kind of was a little disappointed by it. It's a doable color, but not my favorite. Now this one is DD40 Red Spice, and this is a gorgeous color. I used this for a design, and I used it for the inside of my sunflowers, I believe. And now we're going to Magic Mint DD191. And this is exactly that, a mint green, but it's more dusty, and it has a little bit of shimmer. It has a dusty cut, I don't know, undertone to it. Then we have DD226 24 karat, very bright orange. It's borderline mustard. It's like a darker hue of a mustard color. So, but it has that more orangey undertone. I don't know. It's a beautiful color. I'm not sure what it is. Then we have DD37 Country Chick. Very beautiful orange. There is a lot of oranges and greens in this haul. And let me tell you. DD139 Princess Jasmine, and this one reminds me of for Audrey from Glam and Glitz, the nail polish color from back in the day. That's what that reminds me of. Then we have DD92 Lady Luck, and this one wants to be a watermelon, maybe more like a burgundy-ish type of color with a glitter with a gold shimmer. It's pretty. It's actually prettier than I thought it was going to be when I saw the powder. I wasn't sure I was going to like this one at all, but I actually did. Then we have DD28 Sunset Horizon, and this is another orange. Like I said, I have a lot of oranges and greens in this haul, and it is freaking gorgeous, and it is a dream. All of the colors that you've seen so far, the only ones I didn't really enjoy all that much was the second one, and that's it so far. This one, gorgeous. Then we go to DD180 Honey Bunches, and I am using, keep in mind, iGel Beauty's brush as well. But just look at this color. It looks like brown sugar to me. I don't know. It's so beautiful. Can't wait to use it. I actually starting slowly to do more fall type colors. And there I'm telling you all the ones I like. The second one and the third one, not my favorite. Anyway, so you'll see the numbers and the names in the corner, in the left top corner of the screen. So if you wondering of any colors, you can look up there. This one is DD94 Sweet Truffles. Beautiful color too. It does have shimmer, and I love it. Then this is Buttercup DD184, and I think I have one that's Buttercups from before, from a haul before, because I really like this one. This one is more like a pale pastel yellow, and I really like that one. The other one had a gold shimmer that I didn't like. All right, now we go into DD80 Arabian Nights, and this is a deep purple tone. It's more like a grape purple, very pretty. One of those that is a little drier that you have to go wetter. Then we have DD77 Nimbus Cloud, and this gray is beautiful. Wait until you see this. It's a perfect gray. It's beautiful. I love it. It has sort of like a purpley undertone, but it's so pretty. Then we are going in with DD36 Kimono Violet. And it looks very bright when I pick it up in my brush. You see there? And then when I put it down, it kind of looks darker. So I want to try this one. I want to use it in like a set to see. And since we are so close to that fall season, I think this is going to be one. Actually, all these colors are very good for the coming season. Then we have DD188 Sweet Temptation. And this is a shimmery pink color. Now, it is a pretty color, but I don't know. Something about the shimmer is very deceiving in the light. All right, so DD185 Nectarine is a light peach color. It's very creamy, and I thought it was going to marble because of all the white base it has, but it really didn't marble at all. All right, and then DD187 Bell Up the Ball. This one was shimmery, and I think it has clear undertone or a clear base, and I didn't particularly like that one so much, but it's okay. Then we go to DD42 Wild Watermelon. And look at that color. Girl. That's watermelon, all right. Okay, so continuing. Think Tranquil Aqua DD72. And this is another minty color, but it's mint. This one is not so much of dusty mint, but it has more of a vibrant color to it. It's very pretty. It's sort of, kind of, I don't know. Anyway, let's continue. DD179 Brown Sugar. You can see the colors. I don't have to describe every single thing about them. This one is brown sugar, and I think the name is perfect for it. It reminds me more of a caramel brown sugar, sort of something like that. That's the one I didn't like Belle of the Ball. I didn't really enjoy very much. The brown sugar and the other one that I said before that looked like brown sugar look very similar. All right, so now DD39, we're doing chili pepper. And this is a orange undertone red, and I'm going to say it's more orange than red, but it is gorgeous. So gorgeous. I think I used that one today, as a matter of fact. I have to check, but I'm pretty sure I did. Then we have DD133 Ocean Breeze, and let's just enjoy this color, because look at that, my friend. It is beautiful. So beautiful. Then we are going into the greens, and we're going with DD125 Emerald. You see, I am not a green person, but all of the greens in this batch of products I bought, I am in love with. This is a darker green than I thought it was going to be, as you can see in camera, but it is a very gorgeous green. Then we have Rare Beauty DD27. And again, not sure if this is an orange or it has a, I don't know, it's a creamy orange. Very similar to other ones up there. Then we have DD202 Royalty. All right, another silent moment for this freaking blue. Okay, look at that. Take a look. All right, now you tell me if this freaking blue isn't gorgeous. And imagine a winter set with this blue. Just imagine that. All right, so let's move on. DD126 Pine Green. Look at that green. It looks like nothing major, nothing wow, nothing. And then this happens. It is freaking dark. And it is freaking green. And I don't like green, but this is not that green that I don't like. It's one that I can enjoy. Absolutely. All right. So DD164 Winter White. And this is a more milky white, and I couldn't wait to get this one because I love the baby powder one. Oof. All right, moving on. DD138 Joyful Lilac. This is a shimmery. It has like silver shimmers to it, and it has a very light purpley toned, but the glitter is very in there. Like it's definitely glittery. So very pretty. Then we're going with DD73 at Midnight, and this is just a black color, plain black. I have used this in the gel polish form, and I love it. I wasn't expecting anything lesser than that. So then we have DD57 Vegas Bolt, and this is the one I used today. I'm pretty sure. Yep, this is the one I used today. And if I can pop a picture here, I will. Of that color in a set. Then we're going in with DD246 Feline Good. And there you go. It is a very pretty gray. I've loved all the gray I used from them. All right, so DD178 Satin Ribbon. And this is, I used this one in another set too. And it is gorgeous. Then we are going in with DD30 Mandarin Madness. Just let's take a look at this orange. And look at that. Oh my God. So pretty. So I know I've said so pretty 100 times so far, and they are all so pretty. This one is DD124 Miss Kelly, and look at that green. Didn't I tell you I don't like green? Yes, I've told you many times I don't like green, but this green I love. And I'm going to say that all the greens in this batch I have loved so very much. Now, DD172 Cozy Cashmere is a color I've heard about so much, and I wasn't sure I wanted to try because everyone said really good things about it, but I wasn't into it. Well, guess what? I'm into it now. Yes. All right. DD148 Starstruck is a silver glittery one, and this is one of the final ones for this haul or this swatch edition. And then in the next video you are going to see me swatching the same gel polishes that I got with this batch of colors and the ones I got on the other collection, on the other orders I made before that. And then I just got today another package from iGel Beauty, and it has close to 80 colors, if not more. I'm not 100% sure how many colors, but just so you know, there is more coming. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and just go out, check my social media. Don't forget to leave me a comment with whatever you want to see next, and bye.